Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can find your sitemap on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, just a disclaimer before I get into this, for some reason, this method does not work for me. It should work for me, and the only problem which might cause this is not present in my site, and that being I don't have any SEO plugins installed. So I'm not really sure why this is happening, probably because I'm on the free plan, even though that shouldn't pose a problem, but this is the solution that I've found that works for the most amount of people and pretty much for everybody. I'm not sure why it doesn't work for me. It might just be a local problem which I'm having, but without further ado, let me just get into it and explain everything to you guys. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into your site and you're going to want to open up your site page with your URL just like your site. So for example, my site is tutorialsitewix.wordpress.com. This is a URL I've created from a previous tutorial. But what you're going to want to do is to the end of this, add a forward slash, and you're going to write wp-sitemap.xml. And if I write this, as you can see, page not found for some reason, right, really not sure why this is happening. And if that doesn't work, you can also try just without the WP dash, just write sitemap.xml just like this, click OK, and then that should be good as well. As you can see, it doesn't work for me either, but I'm not sure why that doesn't happen. If that's happening for you, if you've installed any SEO plugins, you will need to follow their own method of finding the sitemap, so investigate your SEO plugin carefully. If you want to delete it, once you delete it, you can use this method that I've showed you previously. However, what you're first going to do is go into settings and then go into permalinks. And as you can see, I don't have permalinks because I'm on the free plan. This might be the reason for my problem, why I can't actually use the link that or the URL that I've shown you guys. But if you have the business plan, just go ahead and go into your permalinks, click on save changes just to refresh them, and then try that method again, and it should work. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.